80s. After hours yesterday, major bounce zone, pre-market major bounce zone. So same thing with QQQ, that level that I was talking about all day yesterday, that 564.50 area. We'll see. We shall see. Dimitri, if you're talking, I can't hear anything. Good morning, kid. What's poppin'? Morning, Adam. I'm waiting for Lobo to come on so I can crack my energy drink because I'm freaking exhausted. I slept like shit last night again. Tech Trades. What's up, buddy? Oh, Ryan, you already know, man. Today might be a two for one special. A twofer.
What's going on?
Oh, let's go. I didn't think your mic was working. I thought you were in Temu mode. Good morning, D-Gens.
I got into the Discord and I right away needed to go to the bathroom.
What's up, A-Team?
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday.
June. Joey. Oh, Joey. Are you in live? Yeah, Joey. Don't let me forget to do what we spoke about yesterday. Actually, you know what? What time is it? I'll do it in a little bit. I will do it in a little bit. All right, fine. Hold on. I'll just do it now. You got to send me your email address. Got it. Thank you, buddy. Look at the power bulls looking like they have.
For the VIX being so low, I was just about to say that for the VIX being so low, we have a lot of power, man.
Yeah. Let's see. Team. Oh, God. Why is my Wi-Fi being...
Emu.
My Wi-Fi.
You good, Ryan G? How you doing, buddy? I'm good. This was a rough week for me, buddy. Rough fucking week. Where are you coming from? Yeah, buddy. I fucked myself this week, buddy. This could potentially be the first week of the year that I'm red.
What do you mean? You swung again?
I'm still in my swings.
Oh, I thought you broke even yesterday, though.
No, I did not break even. I'm still down on the week.
You're still down on the week? Didn't you make like Didn't you make like 17 yesterday or something?
But I lost like 27 the other day. That's why.
Oh. Guys, the mics are on today for Six Figure Friday. If you guys want to say what's up, you're more than welcome to. It's Six Figure Fridays. Dimitri, I'm manifesting it for you.
6 Figure Fridays?
Yeah. Hold on, Joey. I'm doing this right now. You should get an email, buddy. You should get an email. I'll double check the settings later, but I think you're all set. I'm gonna pop out of this live stream real quick and refresh the Discord because my connection says it's red. I don't know why. Is your connection red or green? Or is it just me?
Mine is green.
Yeah, I got the,
Only my P&L is red.
hold on. I'm gonna jump out and jump back in. Okay, everybody hear me?
Yeah.
We are so back, baby. Good morning, everybody. Guys, I'm looking at 634.80s. See if bears can push through that. We have a pretty clear as day supply at 635.60s. So between 634.80s and 635.60s. Next level underneath that would be a little bit below previous close, 634.30s. But QQQ is off to the races south. So let's see. Let's see what their game plan is today. I'm thinking sideways day today, Dimitri.
Me too.
I'm thinking sideways day.
Me too.
QQQ's got weakness, but we had a lot of buying volume, like power, like fast buying candles in pre-market. So that's why it's just don't sleep on the bulls. I know we're still at the top, but when they start going north, it looks like they can go fast. Let's see. Give it some time. Why is this on the 1 minute or 5 minute? This needs to go to the 1 minute. This needs to go to the 1 minute. How do premiums look today? VIX is low. VIX is really beat down. We're getting lightning candles right now. I'm staying away. Staying away right now. Don't touch this price action.
Right. I'm all set.
634.80s is crucial for bears to try to step in. If we lose that and try to push.
We're in the middle, guys. I'm interested in PCP for calls, and I'm interested in 635.80s for puts. I'm not trading this middle garbage. Wait.
The middle garbage.
Nothing here, guys. Just wait.
Lobo, are you here?
Wait.
Do we have Lobo yet? Oh, Lobo. Let me down today. All right. Well, this one's in honor of Lobo. Oh, yeah.
Mics are on.
Everybody's mic is on.
Nice.
If anybody wants
Swing
to
trades.
if anybody wants to chit chat,
Sunday is the day, my brother. Market's gonna crash on Sunday as per swing trades.
Sunday? Why Sunday?
Sunday. That's what astrology says.
You're fucked up, Joey. When you predict the market with Temu AirPods. Why does my mic does it not sound good today?
Sounds good.
Look at the fuckery right now. Stay away. We're getting lightning candles.
Or a wedge. Let the wedge break out. You're looking at my screen. The wedge break out or break down?
I'm going to take my best guess and say that people swung puts yesterday, and I will not be surprised if we clear pre-market and try to push back up to yesterday's highs. All the bears will exit.
Correct.
And we can potentially still stay in this range since we didn't gap up. We basically are in the middle of yesterday's range as well. So that's why you can't hear me? No, you can hear me. You're just messing with me.
We could hear you.
We're in the middle of yesterday's range, so I'm hands off for the moment. Take a look at everything else. Is anything doing anything crazy? Let's look.
Guys, wedge breaks upwards, get calls. If you guys want, you can chase it. I don't recommend though. I recommend just waiting for the tops and bottoms. 635.80s and then PCP. We're in a wedge right now. This could be a nice chasing play though for the wedge. Right here.
I don't see anything.
This is the upwards breakout.
I don't see anything unusual. Everything just looks pretty sideways right now. So, at least in the tech sector, whatever sold off got bought back up, and whatever bounced kind of got pushed back down. So, here you go. Supply's about to break. Let's see. I'm not going to chase this move.
This is the wedge. I want to see it close firmly.
Tesla hung out at 301 most of the day yesterday. Has some power this morning. Let's look. Let's look at Tesla.
Let's see.
Tesla does have some power today. A nice gap up as well. Interesting. Dude, I
just got into calls. I have 0 dates calls.
My trading view is very slow today.
I just got into 0 dates calls, guys. Wedge broke upwards, and we just back tested it successfully on this candle. I have 0 dates calls. Uh, 120 average.
Oh, if they break this supply here, 635.60s, it's going to be go time. But QQQ has a little bit of sloping resistance, so that's what I'm waiting for. Let's see if they try to push through the sloping resistance.
See the fuckery they just did, guys? They broke the wedge and they went back inside the wedge. Look at that. That was straight fuckery. They break the wedge. Go back inside.
Yeah, my connection's dog shit today. Let me try switching. I have two Wi-Fis. Let me try switching to the other one.
Yeah, it took a loss. The wedge was about to. The wedge broke out. Seemed like it was gonna back test, and they faked us everybody out. Look at that.
QQQ's taking the floor.
Yep. This is bearish, 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 guys. Now, the bottom of the wedge. What a fake out.
Nice job, AR. Man, just stack them up. Just stack. Dude, you're having a very green week, aren't you? Got your JanSport. QQQ is at
This
demand.
is POC. With the dents here.
QQQ is at strong demand right now. If they break, I don't want to chase.
It's still bearish, guys. Bottom of the wedge is your price target.
It's too early
I
to
got
chase.
calls on my bottom of your wedge, guys. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Puts, puts, puts. That was a fake out.
QQQ just broke demand. It's too early for me to chase anything. I'm trying to be more cautious. I'll wait for something that I like for an entry.
This price section is dog shit.
Yes, it is. It's lightning candles is very difficult. They're faking both sides out today. I'd say just give it a few minutes, guys. There's no need to rush. We'll hit a good setup when it comes, but they're faking both sides out. QQQ cracked demand, and now they're putting in a huge bounce. And they did the same thing with the top of the wedge. They broke the wedge, and they pulled back and trapped everybody. So there's no continuation. They're trapping. They're trapping so far. That's what I see.
Well, is this the time that we break? Is this the time that we break?
It makes sense for them to do it now. They just rugged all the
I'm in
bulls.
calls, guys. I just got filled into calls again. Give me my 12 cents to break even.
Once those floodgates open at 635.60s, you're going to be fine because they'll freaking rocket this thing. I just don't like Qs. I don't like the Qs chart.
Okay. This is great. This is great. Oh, look at this. Okay, let me just trade opposite today like I always do.
I'm still waiting. Yeah, QQQ's weak, Sam.
PQQ is weak today.
But
And the VIX
don't
is a rising bottom.
don't sleep on QQQ or SPY because I see a lot of power to the north side, and when they do break their supply, they're gonna rock it today. I can tell it's the candles north are fast. If they really do try to poke through supply, they're gonna go fast. I want to entry at 634.80s. That's where I want to try calls.
I just took a loss, another one. This is ridiculous.
We got higher highs and lower lows. Still making a wedge. Still making a wedge. Just give it some time. Still in the wedge. You guys see the wedge on the 1 minute? We have a higher low and we have a lower low. Market is still stuck in the middle at POC. We're in the middle of the range from yesterday, so that's why I'm waiting for them to take a side and actually really head somewhere with power before I jump in. 635.60s. I want to see get the roof blown off. And I'd like to see the Qs back above previous close. They got to get the bears excited first, though. Swing. They got to get the bears excited. Oh, yesterday we sold off as well. Every day we sold off a little bit, and then they hit the reverse gear. But since we didn't gap up or gap down, and we're sideways, I'm thinking today might be a consolidation bullshit day and just lightning candle like this and just wreck both sides. So we'll see. QQQ's back to supply. As soon as supply breaks and I actually see power come in, I could try to chase, but lots of fake outs already. I have 635 calls on my screen. I'm not in anything. I'm just waiting. If we pull back to demand, I'll change my strike to 634 calls. 634.80s. Still respecting this wedge. Squeeze is coming in.
Guys, I have put on my screen 0 dates. Thank you so much for that person that showed me this. Sam Trading, thank you for your chart. I just noticed that. That's a hard channel to break, buddy. Puts on my screen. I'm gonna do double size.
Careful, because now they're actually looking like they're going to try to poke through. If they're going to break supply, they're going to go fast. QQQ's breaking supply now.
635.50 break. I'll stop out. 635.50.
Did you enter already? I'm about to get calls.
Just got in. It's fine.
I want to see them take out 635.57. There you go.
This is beautiful. I'm recovering. I got double contracts this time.
Got lightning
Thank
candles.
you, Sam, for that picture. That's gonna be a hard fucking sloping resistance to break. How many touch points I had? 1, 2, 3 touch points, guys. That's a sloping resistance, tough one. Woohoo! Let's go. Sam, you just made me money, buddy. I'm still in, guys. Bottom of my channel is my price target.
This is
I'm very bearish.
This is POC. I'm about to jump in calls, man. As long as they hold this.
I'm not fucking leaving, guys. Low of day, baby. Let's fucking go.
They hold this third higher low here. I'm gonna try it.
Boom, boom, boom. Give me another $1,000 and I'll be happy.
Do you guys see this rising bottom from 933 candle, 939 candle? If we hold the cloud like 635 area, I'm gonna try calls. QQQ's at the top at supply. I want them to go first though. Once I see power north side, I'm jumping.
Boom, 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 boom. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Bottom of the wedge, guys. Bottom of the wedge is my price target. Let's fucking destroy this bitch right now.
I think I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to give it a shot. I'm in 635 calls. 635 even is going to be my stop. Then that that second higher low is not going to be in play. QQQ is at supply, looking like they want to try to poke through. I would say wait for tops or bottoms. We're still in the middle, so this is a difficult trade. But I like Qs, the strength on Qs approaching supply. I see two higher lows, potentially making a third one right now. My price target is going to be 635.50s if we can get to it.
At top of the wedge is very difficult to break, guys. That Sam Trading posted.
QQQ's
It's not a wedge, that's a tunnel.
QQQ's poking through. There's power coming in on the Qs. We should do a lightning candle north right now. I'm thinking.
I'm waiting for low of day. I'm not selling.
I don't like how we're opposite right now, but we're pinned in the middle at POC. And I see higher lows. If QQQ hits the reverse gear from here, though, I'll get wrecked. I have a $1.08 average, 635 calls. My break even's pretty much right here. This is basically where market opened up. We didn't do anything. But the Qs are looking like they're going to V-shape. So one power move north, I hit the sell button. There we go. Don't overstay your welcome. We're rejecting all over the place today. QQQ has power. 635.50s is my ideal price target. I don't know if we're going to get to it, though. QQQ's at supply, breaking through supply. They just broke sloping resistance from pre-market QQQ. I'm still holding. My contracts aren't really moving much. This is exit zone. This is the top that we're rejecting from. I just want to see if they flip it. If they flip it, I'll hold. If they reject here hard, I'll take my profit. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. 635.50. Will you give it to me? Got to take your profit quick, guys. Look at that.
I just added, guys.
Lightning candles.
I just added.
I'd say stay away from this price action for right now. They're just wrecking both sides. I'm just flipping green to red, green to red. I see a lot of strength on the Qs, man. So I'm thinking they're going to take a power move north.
This channel is tough to get to.
Q's
I'm
double
gonna keep
top.
adding that channel.
QQQ's double top. I'm still in. My premiums are getting fucking jacked up right now, though. I had 6 cents here. I'm like flat here. I'm up 2 cents here now. From those lightning candles.
I'm also up 2 cents. It's hilarious. I'm also up 2 cents. How the fuck? That's hilarious.
I'm just there. There you go. QQQ's poking through supply, guys. 635.60s is my price target. QQQ is poking through supply. We're gonna go north. We are gonna go north. QQQ power coming in. This is where we just rejected. I don't know if I want to take my... I only have 5 cents. It's ridiculous. Premiums are not moving. I should have took it. We'll give them one more attempt. As long as they hold pretty much where I bought, but I know I'm going to be red there now at 635.15, 635.20, like VWAP area, POC. Everything's all bunched up right here. QQQ's at the top at supply, looking like they want to go north. So If I was a betting man, I'd say they try to go north, but they're clapping both sides clearly with these candles. Just give me a home run. At least 10 cents or something. There we go. There goes Q's. Q's is through supply now. Q's is through supply. The next major area that I'm looking at is 635.57. A little bit higher. I don't want to be greedy. I'm going to take half off. Power's coming in Q side. There we go. That's 12 cents there. I'm going to take 50 contracts off here. This is supply. If they flip this, then we're going to go into yesterday's highs. There's 15 cents right now. I just took half. I took half at 635.60s. That was my plan. I'll set my stop at break even just to let this thing breathe a little bit, see if we can continue north. And if I get stopped out break even, whatever. Big deal. Look at the Q's chart, guys. QQQ is ripping through supply. QQQ is ripping through supply. If they flip this 635.60s, they're going to blast off. It's going to be a fast move north. The only thing that I do not like is that 950 candle. I'm out. I'm going to take it. I just booked my runners $1.17. 1,200 bucks. $1,200. That wasn't really a ideal setup, guys. It was too dangerous. I don't know if anybody took that or not, but look at the amount of wicks above and below that we're getting. It's very, very tricky price action right now. Q's is at the top. SPY didn't really join the party yet, so if we get another pullback to the cloud 635.15 area, I'll go long again. I'll rinse and repeat this. Want them to pull back VWAP, POC, somewhere over there. I don't want to chase calls here, but QQQ is looking super strong now.
Hey, this is bullish, man.
Just waiting for a pullback so I can get back in. I don't want to buy calls here. There's too many wicks all over the place right now. Candles are moving super fast. Like bulls are getting impatient, like they're gonna try to launch this sucker, but I want a better entry before I get in. I don't want to get it here. I'd be very careful shorting this supply, because if they do break, they're gonna pump this thing up to like 635.90s. That's my next price target.
You can't seem to close the top of the channel in the 5-minute time frame.
I think they're gonna rug the bulls before they go north. They're gonna probably come back down to 635. The cloud.
We can't seem to close on the 5-minute time frame, guys.
There you go.
Fucking go, baby. Finally.
This is where I want to get
Uh,
in. Let's
uh,
see if they hold
only
this.
up,
If they
only up
hold
two
this,
cents. I
if they
want
hold this
more.
area, I'm getting back in. I'm back in 635 calls. If they break this, if they break 635.15, I'm taking a loss. I just want to see if this is like a little liquidity sweep before they take the highs out, or if this is a trap.
Boom, boom, boom. Go, go, go. Give me my loss back for the day.
This is it right here.
There you
Let's see if
go.
they hold this. I'm $1.05 average. If they crack this here, I'm taking a loss fast. But I want to
Give
see
me
if
my
this is
loss
just a
back.
little
There
sweep.
you go.
That's exit zone, Dimitri.
No,
I'm
I
in at
want
a
the
dollar oh
bottom.
five. I'm in at a
Why
dollar oh
can't I have the
five.
bottom?
I'm in at a dollar oh five. Fucking beautiful liquidity sweep. Dude, my contracts are not moving fast. I'm only up five. Oh, here we go. $500 here. I'm gonna sell some off here. I just sold it all actually by accident. I meant to trim. I just dumped everything. What the hell was that? That was $1.01 to $1.09, 8 cents. I was trying to do like a liquidity sweep type of figure there. They're gonna do a bounce here. 635.15. As long as they stay above that, it's a good area to try longs. If they break it, then just sell immediately. Stop out. I'm gonna rinse and repeat this. I'm gonna try it again. I'm back in. 635 calls. 635.15 is my stop. This time I want to try to trim out.
We can't seem to break out of the fucking channel. We're gonna break down, guys.
If we close below 635.15, I take a loss. Very simple. I think they're just doing this lightning candle game right now, dude, and they're just beating up everybody.
I have profit here. I'm still waiting. I want more.
Oh, buddy. I can't even get a 10-cent trade today.
My average is at the top of the channel.
I'm in 635s here. $1.04 is my average. I'm just playing this 635.15 demand. Try to keep it very simple. If they crack it, then I'm out. I'm believing that this might be a liquidity sweep to continue north because QQQ just had a small pullback and they're hitting the gas again to go north. So if we go back to the top from here, this should be a nice play. But as soon as I see 10 cents, I'm going to take it. And my contracts just do not want to move today. There they go.
This is
There we
very bullish.
go.
Bottoms are rising. This is very bullish. Damn
There we
it.
go. I'm gonna take 50 here just in case. I'm playing super tight today, dude. I can't even get 10 cents out of these. 635. I paid myself half, so 635.15 is gonna be my stop.
They are doing fuckery today like crazy.
I have a feeling this is how this day is gonna pan out. It's gonna be a very sideways, wicky, both sides of the body wicks type of day. But QQQ is still at the top as supply, man. It's looking like they're gonna try to launch this sucker north. I just don't think they want to bring bulls with them. That's why they're doing this game right now. But I would expect them to go touch like 634.90s first, you know?
I'm exactly breaking here.
I'm holding. QQQ's poking through a new high, so I'm staying in this. I want supply to touch again, 635.60. Or 635.15 gets taken out. I got a stop set. I don't care. Let me look, Choi Choi. Order flow is break even, dead even. That's why we're getting wick above, wick below, sideways. POC just came in again. Guys, you see how fast these like lightning candles are with wicks on both sides? I would just say stay away for right now. We got to get out of this range. We either got to break down through or break up through 635.60s or break down past 634.90s. I'm going to stop out of these runners. My stop did not get hit. That's annoying. I'm back to 1850 on the day. I'm just going to wait.
QQ's not participating in this dump. All right. Bottom of the channel, I'm about to sell. Finally, I got my loss back for my 2 trades. One more wick down. Give me profit now. Okay, you know what?
You even get freaking 10
I'm all
cents
out.
because my contracts are barely moving.
I'm all out.
I'm about to hit calls
I
again.
need
Rinse and repeat.
3700.
I'm about to rinse and repeat
All out.
calls. Right here. This is demand. This is demand.
Bottom of the channel bounce, guys. This is a profit-taking zone. But everything is bearish. Look at the MACD. Look at the volumes. Everything is
yeah.
bearish. I think they're going to break down.
I'm going to try it here. Good risk to reward. I'm in 635 calls. Every freaking sell-off has been bought up and every breakout has been sold off so far. So I'm just trying to play this back to the middle. Beautiful. Dude, why are my premiums not moving? I bottom ticked that for it's only 4 cents. It's making me hold longer, which I don't want to. I got 6 cents here. Should I take it? I'm going to take it. Premiums are garbage today.
We get to POC, I'm getting puts again.
Bottom of the channel, guys. That's it. This is sell target. The middle is your sell target. If anybody took that, this is where you exit. This is the floor. If they reject this floor here, bearish.
I'm in puts, guys. I just got in.
Oh, God. Anybody hit calls at the bottom there? 635.30s flips, I would say hold them because they might go touch the top of the channel now. Oh, God. Stay away, guys. Just stay away.
Take this fucking channel.
There's no money here. This just market makers are wrecking premiums right now. Candles are moving, and where premiums are only moving a couple cents, and then you get a candle like this, and then boom, you're red.
Beautiful. Give me more. Give me more, baby. I'm up 8 cents here.
Yeah, premiums are not moving, Choi Choi, but it's because we're so tight. We're in a very, very, very tight range. We're only in a 30-cent range right now. Your chart is very zoomed in. So when they break and they actually do a normal move like $1 or something, it's going to look massive.
We're literally where we opened. Just playing everybody.
Yeah, I am not interested in this price action at the moment, so I will wait.
Just playing everybody.
Yeah, I am not interested
QQQ
in this.
5-minute time frame. 2 death wicks. They're not going down. Usually they go down after 2 5-minute death wicks like this.
QQQ is stuck at supply. That's something that I'm just very curious about because if they open the floodgates, they're going to go north fast. Or it's going to be a fake out breakout type of situation.
You usually don't get this shit on QQQ the last 2 5-minute candles, honestly.
Yeah, but I think they're just getting bears loaded right now on Qs. Call me crazy, but I'm going to try 635 calls again. We're back above 635.15 demand. I'm in at 99 cents. We will see. My stop is going to be 635.15. I want them to go back up and touch supply. There we go. Instant green. Instant green. This is great. I want to see supply break or something. Give me something. Only got 7, 8 cents here. It seems like 7 or 8 cents is the magic number today. We're not getting continuation. If I get 10 cents, I'm out. There we go. 10 cents. Beautiful. Beautiful. 14 cents. I'm going to take it, guys. This is supply. And that's it. That was very easy. Look at that. Anybody take?
Up at the channel again.
My thesis right now, QQQ is pinned at the tippity top at supply. If I was a retailer, I'd be like, wow, SPY sideways. This is the best area to short. And when they go, they're going to go north. That's what I think. I could be wrong, but I'm cash right now. Did you sell, Dimitri?
No. I feel like I don't know how to trade this week, honestly. I'm very aggravated. I'm about to hop off, actually. I'm going to stop trading for today.
You know what it is, dude? We're in a 30-cent
Very
flow.
aggravated. Nothing I learned in the past fucking 4 years works. We had fucking 3 divergences on the higher time frames. Nothing works.
Technicals don't.
Nothing works.
Technicals don't work when markets just vacuum mode.
Doesn't make sense whatever you just said, honestly. Also.
We're in vacuum mode. I've been saying it for the last 3 weeks.
Nothing fucking works. This is very aggravating,
Bears,
honestly.
bears, bears,
Thank
bears,
God I
bears.
haven't touched my parents' account.
I know. But bears just see all-time highs supply, and market just does not respect it. They get the liquidity from the bears pouring in, and then they go north.
Nothing works, honestly. Whatever I learn, nothing works here.
I like the way you think, tech trades. And that's basically what it is. That's what it's been. Every freaking pullback has been just clobbered up. But you also have to realize,
Everything.
Dimitri,
Wow.
we're in like a 30-cent range. So
I'm not talking about today. I'm talking about in general, like
uh,
this week and last week. Nothing fucking works. Whatever I learn, I need technicals is just thrown out the garbage. It's like spies at earnings every single day.
this morning, the lightning candles. Yeah, today's gonna be a sideways chop fest. I think this is how this whole day is gonna pan out. So you just have to play tops and bottoms of channels. But look at Q's. Q's on just on a straight arrow north, and SPY's not participating. So every pullback, as long as we're holding demand, I'm jumping in along. Either 635.15 is a good area for longs where I just hit, or 634.90s.
You can't seem to close on the 5-minute time frame above this channel. But they're not breaking down. We can't close above it, but we're not breaking down.
But they're doing damage to premiums.
Yeah. QQQ is not even buzzing.
Ryan, that plan will only not work once. It's a goal for him. Yeah, dude. It's just, I mean, look at the chart. Just everything gets bought up, and supplies reject. So if you're playing tops and bottoms, you'll be fine. Just don't touch the middle. We're in a ping pong match right now. Ping pong's between 635.60 and 634.90s. And then if you find bullish or bearish confirmation in the middle, then you go with the wind. I just don't. What's throwing me off, which is giving me more of a bull bias, is the fact that Q's is sitting at supply. Supply, supply, supply. So everybody's trying to short the Q's right now. And SPY did not participate in the party north. So once they participate and they try to go north and break through supply, then bears are going to just be stupidly trapped, and they're going to head up to 635.90s. Potential new all-time high today. That's my thesis. If you go to 30-minute time frame, look at the freaking wicks at 635.60. It's ridiculous. It's like clear as day supply. It doesn't get any clearer than 635.60 on the 30-minute time frame. That's the best area to try to short. And then you short it until it doesn't work. $636 and 638 has too much room. What is that, swing trades? Let me look at the ratio. We're still even on the order flow too. So we have continuous squeeze. I don't know. I think we're just gonna stay sideways and just ping pong like this. Just play the tops and bottoms of the channel. The channel is like very, very clear. First demand zone 635.15. Second demand zone 634.90. Supply 635.60. We're in a box. We're in a box. I will send you guys a picture of the box. Okay, let me get rid of this box. I'd say major demand area for Qs 565.56. If QQQ breaks through that, then we should take out demand on SPY. 565.56. If I see Qs underneath that, then I'll be more leery about jumping in on a call at 635.15. I would like to try calls at 634.90. But if you look left and look where we opened, we are stuck sideways. Did you guys take any trades today? Ryan, Swing, Joey, any of you guys? AR, I know you're up. AR, $190. Nice. It's impressive. Joey, $17. That's fine. That is fine. Just breathe, brother.
They're doing complete fuckery.
Yeah, it's a disgusting wedge. Dude, we can go sideways until lunchtime. If they really wanted to. They can burn like this all the way to lunch. Look at 12 o'clock on that from that chart that you just drew. QQQ bullish still. SPY's at supply. I don't know, man. I don't like shorting supply anymore at all-time highs because when they freaking break it, they wreck everybody. So I'm not going to participate in a short here. Best area to try a short is going to be 635.90s in my opinion because of what the conditions are right now. If we weren't...
This is strong supply for Tesla. This is strong supply. If we break out of here, we're going to 3-32 stats. You think they're gonna do that? So many fucking bulls are trapped from the earnings. It's a strong supply. Because if they break us where we are right now, they break 315. It's an empty pocket. Think psychologically. So many bulls are trapped. I don't think they're gonna break today, guys. Tesla. I doubt that they break it today.
I wouldn't enter a put here, guys. I would not enter a put here. It's looking like they want to go. Looking like they want to break out. If they break out, it's going to be a pretty big candle, so risk to reward's not good.
This is massive supply for Tesla. Ugh, I wanted to add. I was looking at fucking Tesla. I wanted to add.
I just get scared on supply, dude. Lately, dude, supply. They make it look like supply, and then they freaking push off of it $1, and it's just steamroll central. I don't like the way the Q's chart is. If the Q's were weaker, I'd say.
Extended.
All right. Well, if the Q's were weaker, I'd say that would be a good supply. But at least for me, I didn't want to take it. We're back to the middle. What are you in? What contracts? 635?
636 0 dates. 126 average.
636. Would you... Oh, that's not bad. 126 average. Just a meltdown of fucking premiums today.
I would not be surprised if Tesla trades stats in the middle of this box. Oh, it's not even a box, it's a wedge. Oh, I just realized it's a wedge. Your stats, I'm going to show you Tesla. Indicators. This is Tesla right now for you, buddy. Dog shit. Dog shit. I'm telling you. Just leave Tesla alone, buddy. They're gonna play dirty, dirty games for Tesla. Don't forget, Tesla's a cash cow for them. So look what they're gonna do. You can only imagine how many puts and calls there are. They're gonna just fucking small, small, small.
Oh, dude, these are the conditions you do not touch SPX in swing. You do not touch SPX in these conditions. We're way too tight, and the wicks are way too fast. We're getting wicks above, below, and it's too early. Today's the day you wait until like 1, 2 o'clock and wait for a waterfall or a crazy overreaction and try to catch an inverse of it. We're stuck. We're back into the middle.
Finally, let's go. You
This is
fucking
demand here.
asshole.
This is demand zone number 1. And then demand zone number 2, 634.90. Are you green here?
I am not green here.
Well, hopefully
Premiums are not moving so fast.
premiums are
I'm
dog shit
break
today.
even.
Premiums are complete dog shit today. QQQ's got POC. Spies it. This is demand. If this demand breaks, then 634.90s.
We cannot break up. We have to break down. If we can't break down, we have to break up.
If we can't break down, we go back to the middle. That's why we're pinned. Look where we open and look where we're at. It's just, this is like battle zone. That 635.15 demand works, but the risk to reward is just shit. You're gonna get, even this candle, you're gonna get 3-4 cents most. There's no money. There's no money right now. I'd say wait for them to take a side out. Let them take out that major supply at 635.60s or dump through the floor. Or they just do this all the way into lunchtime because that makes the most logical sense. If there's a lot of bears that swung yesterday and they just go sideways all day, they're going to burn them out. And then they got to make their decision if they're going to swing over the weekend. And the bulls are losing money from yesterday right now, so both sides are losing at the moment. If QQQ rolls through 565.56, I could see us going back down to the lower demand zone. Yeah, Ryan, it's pinned. Ping pong, ping pong. How many times is this 635.15 demand gonna work? QQQ has a bull flag. I'm not shorting this supply. I don't trust it. We have continuous squeeze on the volume. MACD's bullish. If they blow through supply, they're going to go fast. Good job, A-Team. Yeah, dude, if you're making money in this price action, I would say cool it down a little bit or pull back. Trade smaller. So we're just ping pong mode. Contracts are barely moving. $238 in 1 hour is not too shabby. Tell me what job you can work for $238 an hour.
Plumber.
What?
Plumber.
No.
They make more even. Plumbers make crazy money.
$238 an hour? I don't think so. Maybe if you own the company.
They make more. Hell yeah.
Yeah, if you own the company. I don't trust this supply. I'm not going to touch it. The Lobo, you could sell crack. I know. Lobo, I couldn't wait for you, man. I was thirsty. I needed to crack it. I'm surprised Dimitri isn't like... You haven't said that in a while to me, Dimitri. Do another one.
I'm just pissed off at this price action, honestly. Like, this week was the worst week this year for me. I'm very impressed how market makers really fuck you. This week was very difficult week.
If you didn't swing, you would have been green. It was your swings.
Very difficult week, honestly.
Guys, I don't trust this supply. We got too many touch points on it, and QQQ's still at the top, so I think they're making this look like an obvious area to short, and I just don't trust it based off of the bullishness on the Qs. If QQQ wasn't this bullish, I'd say, yeah, keep whacking it until it doesn't work, but I feel like if they blow through, they're going to go fast. And I also don't want to buy calls here, so I have no trade. No trade here.
Albert, did you watch the videos, buddy?
Albert's
Please
cooking.
tell me you watched the one video.
Albert's cooking. Albert, you're making money.
Forget about the money, learn. Please tell me you watched at least one video.
Wow. 3 of them.
Good job.
Dimitri, Albert is he's an optometrist with you?
He's in the same field. He's in the same field as me. He
nice.
owns stores. He does online.
Nice.
Yeah. He did it way before me. Way before me.
Here we go. Here goes supply. See if they break it.
Why would you buy ARK share stats? You could buy any ETF is better than ARK. That Kathy Woods sucks. Stay away from ARK, buddy.
Dude, I do not trust this supply, man. I do
You can
not.
literally buy any ETF. It'll be better than ARK. ARK is the worst fucking... throw that in the dumpster, buddy.
What is ARK?
Buddy, you could buy SPY shares. You'll be better than ARK.
No, Albert, I'm down in Florida. I used to live in Connecticut. Well, I was born and raised in Connecticut, but Florida, no. It's hot down here, man. It's like living on the fucking equator.
Buddy, ARK
Dude,
is the worst.
I want to go long here, man. Call me fucking crazy, but I feel like they're going to blow the lid off of this thing. I'll wait for them to go.
Let them go first. Don't feel it.
I feel like they're going to fucking blow the lid off.
I will check for you, though.
If they pull back the POC area, guys, POC, VWAP, somewhere in there, and I see a nice wick below the body, I'm gonna take a stab at calls. Only if QQQ stays above their demand, 560, 556. Only if QQQ stays above their demand.
Grande, Blonder.
Swing
Keep some
trades.
room.
What's up, buddy? The mics are on. I'm trying calls, guys. 635 calls. I'm in. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. If this doesn't work, it's an immediate sell. I have a strong feeling that they're going to try to poke through supply. but they didn't bounce fast enough. They go through supply, usually they pull back like that, like it's the best short, and then they bounce it right back through. What do I have? I got 3 cents here. QQQ is on demand. QQQ takes out demand, then I'm out. I'm not going to participate. If I can get more than like 10 or 12 cents today out of one trade, it would be freaking great. What do I got here? $400 here.
That's if you bought ARK in 2020, you'd be break even right now.
Here we go. Here we go. Now, do I sell it
If
supply
you
or do
bought
I try to
ARK in
hold through it?
2022.
Do I sell it supply or try to hold through? I'm going to take half off. I just sold half. And I'm going to hold 50 to see if we break through supply now. Simple. Simple, simple. QQQ's holding POC. SPY's holding POC. They should poke through. They should poke through. Our ping pong range is getting lifted up. If you guys notice. Fresh break of supply. There we go, baby. Oh yeah. I told you. $1,400. I'm out.
That's it? That's all you got?
I was only in 50 contracts.
Oh, what a breakout.
Told you. Anybody take that with me, man? Fucking knew they were going to do this shit.
Wow, what a breakout.
That's why I do not trust supply at fucking all-time highs. Especially the way the Q's chart was. Hell yeah, Ryan G. Hell yeah, buddy. $5,700 on the day. I am more than happy with that, with just based off this price action.
Oh, they're gonna go north now. They're gonna go north.
Doctor. Okay, you guys want to do the class on Sunday? Wow, everybody voted Sunday, huh? Okay. Sunday it is. Sunday it is. Do you guys understand why I got into calls at POC? Did I narrate that well enough? I wasn't buying it blind. I was looking at the Q's demand. I said as long as QQQ holds their demand, the supply was way too obvious for the bears to keep lining up. So that one pullback was a gift. That 1031 candle was a gift to go long. And as soon as I saw the wick off of POC, it was game time. They just didn't bounce as fast as I thought they were going to bounce. Usually they bounce it one candle, then they take supply out. Right to 635.90s. That was my price target. This is the best area to try a short. 635.90s.
Oh, this is my level from the market update, guys. If we're above this level, we're going to blue skies. This is the best level to short.
I don't even know if I want to take another fucking trade right now. I missed the 635.90 entry because I was selling my calls, and I'm good for right now. If they come back and test this supply again, 635.60s, and bounce off of it, I'd say that's a good entry for longs if anybody missed the boat. But they've ping-ponged all day. Just keep that in mind. So I don't know how far they're going to go before they try to come back to the middle. What's the ratio now? Put side must be heavier. Nope, it's still break even. So
Break even.
I could see them coming back to at least retest the supply at 635.60s. That would make the most sense. I don't think they're going to go too far too fast. Man, I wish you guys hit that with me. That's so exciting when those big green candles come in and they actually work.
I cannot believe they're paying so much calls, man. They bought a lot of SPY shares, the dealers. Like, hedge-wise, because calls are fucking printing. Can you imagine how many SPY shares they bought? For every one contract, they have to buy 100 shares.
What was that
Can you
order
imagine
that
when
you?
they unload those shares?
What was that order that you put in the chat yesterday?
What order?
Wasn't it? What was this like some ridiculous price target, like 660 or something?
I'm not sure, but I'm just
Or maybe it
shocked that
was
they're paying off calls.
640.
Look at the open interest on 630 calls. The open interest is wild.
Oh yeah. I'm not gonna short this, guys. QQQ didn't even break their range yet. I'm not gonna short this. It makes the most sense to short, but I'm not gonna. I just lately, man, I just don't trust supply. All the bears just get ran over. So the only way to short is when you see them to start to break down. That's my opinion. Let
Well,
them
VIX
actually
is
break
great to
down.
look at, June. I agree. They're gonna break down. VIX has a gap at 1478. VIX has a gap. I feel like they want to break down VIX now. VIX is completely toasted. But look at QQQ, man. QQQ has a strong supply here.
God damn, Ryan. 744. That's a lot. That's a lot, man. That's a lot of money. Oh, next December 2026. Yeah, I don't know. I think there's going to be another correction. I don't think it's going to be nearly as big as the Trump tariff correction that we had. That was all planned out, in my opinion. That was a money grab. Anybody that freaking loaded their money into the markets made billions and billions of dollars.
You never know. This FOMC meeting next week, Powell could do his resignation.
Do you think he's really considering it?
He fucked up. He just has to own up to it now. He really did fuck us.
Oh,
He caused the biggest inflation. He printed out the most amount of money. He said that inflation is just transitory, like a moron. Powell was the worst chair, in my opinion. He's an idiot.
Didn't Trump appoint him?
So he should quit, and he should admit that he fucked up. I do believe Mark is going to take that very bad.
Or market's going to love it because then everybody's going to think we're going to get a Fed share that's going to ease back and we're going to freaking moon. But it seems like, I don't know, from my experience with any of these Fed decisions that they make, it's always good news is bad news and bad news is good news for the market. I don't know.
The forward-looking mechanism, so it's always going to go up, 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 up. Markets.
I don't know, dude. I want to be able to I want to buy a house that I don't have to lock myself in at 8% interest.
Let's see. Next week is going to be very exciting. It's exciting. VIX is going to $14, guys. VIX is in fully contango mode. There's zero reason to buy puts at all now. VIX is completely crushed.
Could you imagine Powell? Just public, just says some like crazy shit publicly before he leaves. Just dumps the market. I think a lot of people want him out too. Man, I don't think those Epstein files are ever coming out. I think that's like another hoax. The whole Epstein shit. Money isn't real, Ryan. I don't even think the money that we trade on like these brokerage accounts are even real. It's just numbers on a screen. It's not real until I withdraw it and take it out for cash.
Money is not real. People slave 8 hours a day to work for what they fucking print. Think money's real?
Well, I mean, cash is still cash at the end of the day. It still buys you things, but I'm just saying the brokerages
there you
and
go.
trading and all these things, it's just numbers on a screen. That's all it is. It's just numbers on a screen.
Are we at all-time highs now? No, not yet. We're about to
No,
hit the weekly
almost
expected
there.
move.
That's why I just don't want to touch this supply, dude, because it's just every single bear is doing the same shit that they did all week. Is they're just shorting, and they're just gonna push. They're just gonna push, and then figure probably 2 o'clock we're gonna come back to where we opened. That's what they did all past couple weeks. Big ass cycles, just rug both sides. I mean, it's smart to have currency, you know. It makes sense. Like, what would happen, Ryan, if we didn't invent currency or any way to trade? Because it was never just like cash value or money. It was like goods and services and spices and things like that. Like way back, right? Dimitri would trade his goat for some spice. Like, hey, can I have some spice? Do you want my goat? Exactly, Albert. And that turned into coins. Coins were the first type of currency. And now they just turn the printing machines on at the Fed. Just print billions and trillions of dollars whenever they want. Could you imagine working an overtime shift and you flip on the printer for a little bit? Be like, yeah, don't mind me. I'll print myself
At the Federal Reserve?
yeah, just flip the printer on and do a quick $500,000 on your lunch break and throw it in your backpack. Look at the power, guys, north side. Do not step in front of
This is the
this.
top of the channel. This is the top of the channel.
6 cents
Micro
all-time
channel.
highs. All-time
There you go.
highs. Here we go.
I wonder when the Bears will capitulate.
Dude, I don't even think there's any bears left. I think bears are just getting fucking ran over every day because there's just so much liquidity coming into the market.
There's plenty of bears. That's the issue. They're not capitulating.
Let's go, Choi
Bears are
Choi.
very stubborn. Bears are very stubborn.
Choi Choi, are you the goat today? Anybody make more than Choi Choi? Choi Choi, I think you're the goat. Goat? Dude, look at the Fed's balance sheet. They still have a fuck ton of money that they have to pump into the market that they printed during COVID. There's a crap ton of money that they still need to put into the market. Let me look this up.
Didn't they collect it from the high interest rates? And what did they do with it?
So during the COVID-19 pandemic, they printed trillions of dollars and pumped trillions into several financial systems. called the quantitative easing to stabilize the economy. But they still have a shitload of money. Like they have so they printed 6 trillion and they only put 2.3 trillion into the stock market during COVID. So where's the rest of the money?
Joe Biden took it.
He's fucking sipping a margarita right now in Mexico. No, Joe Biden didn't take it. Joe Biden funneled it to freaking Zelensky, and now he's getting his kickback. They spread it out all over the world under the U.S. aid. Even though Trump and Elon had their differences, dude, Elon found a lot of fucking waste in the government, a lot of garbage. He exposed a lot of people. Politics is just a nasty, nasty game. You remember when Meet Kevin got all mad at you because you told him that he wasn't ready for politics?
I'm shocked that he even responded to a fucking mice like me.
Do you guys know who Meet Kevin is?
I'm shocked, man. Out of all the thousands of people that comment, he saw mine to be the most disturbing.
Meet Kevin was on a rant about politics. Oh yeah. I think I posted it in here. He was ranting, he was bitching about politics, how he didn't get elected and all this corruption and shit. And Dimitri's like, you're just salty you lost. And this dude fucking set him on fire.
He was running for governor in California against Gavin Newsom, and Gavin Newsom won. Because Gavin Newsom is the Democratic Party, and he was doing shady things.
That's the first mistake, trying to he's obviously Republican. Meet Kevin.
And you scum.
That state will never flip red. Exactly, Ryan. That state will never flip red. Oh boy, guys, I don't know. We're stair stepping. You guys seen this how many times now? See how we make these little cycles and then we take a new high and then they try to hold it, demand. Make another cycle and just stair step up. QQQ. QQQ's grinding north. Oh, Swing, what do you think about the fires that happened in Maui, dude? The most valuable property in the world. One of the most valuable properties in the world. Lahaina in Maui, Front Street, all burned down. Tell me something's
Did
not
you say
fishy.
they did it on purpose? They
Yeah.
want to build their own buildings there and stuff?
Of course.
Yeah, they did it on purpose.
And then the best part about it is they hired FEMA workers to come in and help clean up. Government paid FEMA workers, and they were staying at resorts on Maui for $20,000 a week. That's how much some of those resorts are. $20,000 a week to stay at the resort as a FEMA worker for the government. And the people that lost their lives and their homes and all their belongings, they got like a $700 check. I hate to laugh, but if you really think the government fucking cares about you, they don't. Pretty sure A-Team can attest to that.
We are so far from the 5-day moving average, guys. We need to consolidate for the 5-day moving average to catch up. So, in my opinion, they're going to consolidate all day here. 5-day moving average is at 632.44. It needs to keep going up for liquidity. I don't think they're going to go north today, and I don't think they're going to go south today. It's going to be a very boring day.
I think part of the problem swing trades is that money in the United States, I mean, it's still pretty easy to get, but it used to be like you fill out a couple documents and sign your signature, and then you just hand money, and it was like relatively free money, cheap money, low interest. And then they hit the reverse gear on everybody, and banks are cutting people off and not approving people, and interest rates have ripped through the roof. And now look at everybody's broke, panicking, inflated. Everything's expensive. Within what, a couple years this happened? It's very disgusting. Or how about that guy that we met, Dimitri?
Which guy?
Steve's friend that works for UNH. Every dollar of his 401k went back into his company's holdings. And he's been working there for 5 years, and his 401k got split in half.
I mean, it's his fault. He decided to put his hard-working money into the company.
401k went to zero.
Hold on, that's not nice to say, because can you imagine working for NVIDIA and putting all your money into 401k? You get it?
It's fucking awful.
It's the luck of the draw.
Yeah.
It depends on what company you work for, yeah.
It's awful. It's awful.
Can you imagine you working for NVIDIA and you'll be a millionaire if you decide to have a 401k after 5 years? You're a millionaire.
Oh, dude, I read something. What did I read? It was like 1 in 3 employees are millionaires that work at NVIDIA?
Oh, everybody's a millionaire now there.
Let me see. Everybody's a millionaire now?
I'm pretty sure. Look at NVIDIA.
Yeah, 78% of their employees are millionaires. 37% of them have a net worth exceeding 20 million.
Amazing.
Almost half of their company. Oh, man. Imagine that. You know how exciting that would be, dude? Going to work every day. You don't even care about your paycheck because your fucking stock holdings is just 100%, 200%, 300%. And then they're giving you stock options every year on top of it. I'd be freaking smiling going into work. I'd say, you don't even have to pay me today, boss.
This is a fake drop. The reason I know it's a fake drop is because look at the VIX. VIX is in a strong selling algo.
That probably created like such a... Ooh,
I hope they drop this sucker. I hope they drop this sucker to an oblivion, honestly. I'm bleeding like crazy.
QQQ's VWAP is lining right up with demand now, 565.56. That's still a line in the sand for me, for bears to step in on Qs, 565.56. It's been respected since 10 o'clock. And it's also VWAP. Everybody in the Bay Area. It's like almost impossible to live in the Bay Area if you're not a millionaire, though, right? I don't even think they have affordable housing over there.
By the way, Albert, if you're still listening, you can dollar cost average now if you want. I hope you haven't been playing options, by the way. You can dollar cost average now. If you have capital. This is the bottom of the channel.
I wouldn't get fooled on this bearishness yet until
The sloping
QQQ starts
support.
breaking down. Yeah, I was gonna
This is
say
sloping support.
this is bounce zone.
But if they break this, it's POC time. I don't think they'll even respect VWAP. Actually, the 200 is on the VWAP. Makes sense, they do. But it looked like they want to break. They want to break, guys. Volume is coming in.
POC just came in on Qs.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Looks like they want to break down, guys. I'm still holding my puts. I'm blood red today, honestly. This is the worst week I've had, honestly. I need to take a breather. Fucking... This market was very difficult. Be a day where the buyers are not going to be able to buy anymore. Like, it's just going to be an aggressive dump all day. There has to be one of those days, because buyers are getting a little too cocky, in my opinion. They need to capitulate, the bears. Once they capitulate, then they're going to dump.
Look at the ticks right now.
Ticks are going up, price is going down. Ticks are going way up. Look at that now. They're going to dump. They're going to break the channel, guys, downwards. They're going to dump. As per the ticks, they're going to dump. Market want to go lower, guys. I'm loaded right now.
I don't know. I'm not gonna be bearish unless 635.60s gets taken out and 565.60s on QQQ gets taken out. That's my line in the sand for bears. If bears really want to step in and push south, they gotta crack both of those. Until then, I do not see anything.
They are going to break this channel right now, downwards. And we're going straight to VWAP or POC. It's going to be fast. 30-cent drop incoming. Look at the ticks, Ryan. Look at the ticks. Wow, they went from negative 500 to positive 400.
Yeah, price didn't buzz though.
Yep. Once they dump the ticks right now, it's going to be fun. QQQ is pulling back nicely now, guys. There you go. They're breaking down now.
They have demand right here, though. That's the only thing. On Qs.
We just broke the channel. We just closed below the channel.
Qs has
But
demand.
all day they've been
VWAP. Our breakout zone. Qs is on demand.
Buyers are just so aggressive.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's gonna be a day, man. There's gonna be a day where they're gonna be completely humbled. Buyers are way too fucking aggressive right now.
Put to call ratio is dead even still.
Crazy aggressive buyers. Like, who is buying this?
Not me. I got my lunch. I'm actually impressed that I caught that breakout. I narrated that thing to the T. that breakout.
No, swing trades, I believe in that. It's once a month we always test the 20-day moving average. I believe in it. I believe in a sharp sell-off eventually. Like it's just gonna be one day of boom. Like one red candle overtakes like what 10 green days. I believe in that.
They
Just
could
don't
do
know
it.
when
They could do
and
it
time it.
in a gap down scenario too, where they gap down and everybody thinks the bounce is coming, and then they just hit the gas south.
See.
That would make the most sense if they gap down. If they gap down and even do like a sideways bullish day, and get everybody loaded back into calls, and then next day just freaking take it down. But I don't know. I don't really care. I want them to get away from all-time highs. I want the VIX to go back up because I hate this slow price action, and I don't think it's very difficult to do what we do at the top. Scalp. You have to be very precise.
difficult to trade. When VIX is this low, it's very difficult to trade.
Even this morning, dude, the cycles, like the lightning candles, were impossible, and contracts were only moving a couple cents. They're just beating both sides up. That's it.
Very difficult to trade.
I just love when they squeeze. I love when they squeeze. Gets me excited, especially when I'm not in it. So you gotta think, dude, how many squeezes have we been caught in? And then you can identify a squeeze before it happens now, and you just sit back and let them freaking go. Slipping resistance trying to form. QQQ sideways. How do we catch that nice pop on SPX is something I'm trying to figure out. Never easy. You would have printed if you hit SPX on those calls that I was in. It's just too risky, man. Today the candles, we were getting lightning candles all day. It's like you get filled on a wick and it goes against you. That it's wrecked. And then it's not going to move. Yeah, you got to it's momentum. That's it. You have to look for momentum and power to start flowing in. These type of days, it's because of the VIX, man. It's because of the VIX. You know how much money Josh probably made when VIX was, when we were in like the 500s, when VIX was elevated like $30.
Save this picture, guys, for yourself. This is the rule of 16. Whatever the VIX is,
dude, I remember your discovery. You remember when I think we were in like the low 500s, Dimitri, and VIX was like $40 or $50. And you said every day you can just straddle VIX or strangle VIX.
yeah, for SPX.
Yeah, SPX, sorry. And you could just go out the money, 5 strikes out the money on both sides, and one of them will do freaking 300% because that's how much we were moving. It was like free money. So our cycles were
I tried
so
it
big.
every single day for 2 weeks and it worked.
But that's only if we have those big crazy cycles.
Oh, VIX has to be above $40-$50 for that, yeah. Beautiful. We just broke down the wedge, not the wedge, sloping support, bottom of the channel, we broke down. I am holding hopes. POC, I'll be even, hopefully. Yeah, POC. This is ridiculous.
635.30.
Yeah.
Yikes. We got to get through 635.60s. And then I'll think bears will step in. There's small demand.
Oh, buddy,
here.
if we break this, it's party time. Head and shoulder pattern, head and shoulders, price target POC. If they do it. This is looking great. Every single day has been a bear trap day.
POC just came in here on QQQ. They don't want to go anywhere.
Every single day bear trap.
I think I'm I'm happy with my 1, 2, 3. Took 4, 5 trades today. Dimitri, what does this picture remind you of?
I'm not even gonna say it.
I was just scrolling through. I was scrolling through GIFs, and I was like, "Oh shit!"
Look how everything lines up, guys. QQQ is at resistance. The VIX is at support. And SPY is at resistance. Everything just lines up so perfectly. They could just do nothing. Nothing all day, guys. They could just burn, burn, burn.
Or they can be bullish, because that's what it's looking like. 635.70 is strong demand now. I'm gonna start changing the way I map out my lines here. So I'll do red. Will it let me do it? Yeah, I'll do red for supply, and I'll do blue for demand. Blue for demand. Actually, I'll do green for demand. Be easier to see.
All right. This is gonna be my officially first week I'm red. This is disgusting. So upset.
Gotta stop swinging, my guy. We gotta shut the swings off.
More than half of my P&L accounts for swings, though.
I know. You make a disgusting amount of money swinging, but you also lose a disgusting amount of money. So, for me, I don't have the balls to swing.
I didn't lose that much money. On my swing position, I'm down 40,000. This week, I'm down 17,000 though. So I'm red. Now I'm down 16.5. So, but on the swing position, I'm down 39.4 right now. Yeah, it's very bad. August 15th though. I don't know if I should just cut it, start fresh on Monday. Swing, you really think we're gonna dump on Sunday? Oh, buddy. I don't know what to do.
Why Sunday? What? It's because of the stars are lining up. What is it? What's Sunday?
Yeah, if it wasn't for this swing trade, I would have been out green on like 13,000 on the week.
Here you go. Just do this,
Just-
Dimitri.
Sure.
I fucking love that thing.
You're
Is
such
it the
an
western?
idiot.
Is it the Western Wall?
Yes. This is my number, yeah. This level is very difficult, guys. This level. All day yesterday, if you scroll left on the higher time frames, we couldn't make this level a support. We did it actually at 10:45 today at the 5-minute candle. But what a fake out. But we're at the weekly expected move though, that's why. Weekly expected move is 636.28 as per the options market. This is probably a call wall. But if we go and break this, they're gonna have to fucking hedge. They're gonna buy a lot of SPY shares. We're gonna explode if we get through this call wall.
Call wall. Oh, Norville, I just saw your order, buddy. Are you here, Norville? Is Norville here today? I don't think so. It's the Iceman. He just looks like he has a lisp the way he talks. The Iceman. Seriously? All right. Well, until I wait for something to happen, anybody have some fun plans for this weekend? What's everybody doing this weekend? That's
All right, I think that personally I'm gonna retire my parents' account.
That's your weekend. That's what you're looking forward to. I remember those days, swing trades. I used to get haircuts when I had hair. Be careful, Sam. Swing puts have not worked for the last, what?
Forever, since April.
Yeah. What's your reasoning here? Just because we're at a double top all-time highs, it's just you just gotta be careful, man. Look at last time we were at all-time highs at 631.56. We gapped up and went to 634. It's like cups, just cups and cups and cups all over the chart. I would love for them to go back to 631.40 and test that. Looking at the 30-minute chart, 631.40 looks like a reasonable spot. I don't know. Swinging for me is just the risk to reward is not there. I don't see the risk to reward. Especially if you guys are on a small account, I wouldn't even think about swinging these conditions. It's not worth it. You can buy long dated expirations to try to day trade, so it's safer. But swinging's dangerous. Swinging. Joey, I just saw your picture that you sent me. What the hell? What is going on over there? Should we do that? Yeah, he would. Dimitri would love it.
What would I know?
Joey said that he's like watching some stream and they're having a twerk competition for a free Top Step account.
Whoever twerks the best gets a free Top Step account.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Dimitri, this would be you.
Is it guys only?
Imagine they don't give it to anyone. I know. That'll be fucked up.
Oh wow, who's the person in the pink?
Dude, drop our link in there, Joey. Drop your affiliate link in there. Just be like, if you
He's
guys
gonna
wanna...
get banned. Boom.
yeah, of course you're not getting kicked. You're watching a free show. QQQ is looking like it wants to. QQQ is looking like it wants to take out supply, guys. Oh, how close are we to all-time highs? Looks like they want to try to push. Looks like they want to try to push. What's Tesla doing? Tesla's still a rocket? Yes, it is. Look at Tesla. Wow.
There's an empty pocket for Tesla swing trades if Tesla want to go. There's nothing above it. Empty pocket. Yeah, it just broke out 315.50. I have nothing until 3:30. I have nothing for Tesla. If they want to go, they're gonna go, but I doubt it. There's way too many trapped. They could go to 320 actually. 320 is minor resistance. 319.50 to 320. Yeah, right here, 319.20 I have. They can go like a few more dollars, but relatively there's nothing major resistance wise if they want to go. I doubt they're gonna go. There's way too many calls that are trapped. But if you do the fibs, which I like to do, from that to that, 319.50. 319.50 is the 50% retracement. Bulls get fucked, bears get fucked, and they close at 319.50. So that's where they can go. They make the most amount of money at 319.50.
Let's see if they hold this demand again. 635.70s. Nice job, Joey. $148. Good work. Dude, did you do what I told you yesterday on the phone, Joey? Or at least start doing what I told you? Writing everything. Okay. Yeah, I want an update from you. I want to see where you're at. I think you'll be impressed with yourself. It'll boost your confidence up too.
What did you tell him?
I just told him to, since he withdraws money out of his account that he trades on, just write down his P&L at the end of each day, and then over the course of the month, add up all your winners and add up all your losers, and I'm pretty certain he's fucking profitable. I'm very certain he's profitable.
You get a TradeZilla account. Stop being Jewish and get a TradeZilla account.
TradeZilla does that?
Yeah, TradeZilla does everything for you.
I don't want to hook anything up to my brokerage. Fuck that. They have access to your brokerage. I'm all set with that. I would just write it down. QQQ is going to break out.
Tesla has a little bit more, guys. Tesla has a little bit more. That's what they do, dirty games.
Look at guys. Look at this demand. How many times does demand work? 635.72.
Actually, 319 is the 50% retracement. $1 more on Tesla, guys. $1 more on Tesla. 319 is my price target on Tesla.
Did anybody hit calls here at this demand? Fucking gorgeous demand here, dude. Gorgeous demand. Every single time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points on this demand. QQQ's at the top. Look at you, AR. Great job. AR, how much are you up on the week? You got to be up pretty nice. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. And you're taking just little base hits too. You're not over leveraging yourself. Good job.
Yep.
Good job. That's it. That's how you grow the account. Give yourself a couple months of doing this and $4,500 a week. Make $100,000 in a few months. That's what you're on track for. Get yourself excited because that is what you are on track for.
This is a textbook bull flag. They're just consolidating in this and they're going to rip up higher. This is a textbook bull flag. Alright, guys. I don't want to entertain this bullshit. I'm going to go to the gym.
What are you going to work out today?
Probably legs. I'm very sore on my upper body.
Yeah, I think I'll do the same.
Here, guys, if anybody's in Tesla, here we go. Tesla's bullish. Very interesting how Tesla's bullish, guys. This just came out.
I want to just see if they print a new all-time high before I get off. I'm curious if they push, how far they're going to push. Wow, look at you, Joey.
Hi, guys.
187
I'm all out.
bucks. Joey's a print
You have
factory.
$1 more. You have $1 more to squeeze out of Tesla, in my opinion. 50% is at 319. I'll talk to you later, Ryan.
All
Have
right,
a
buddy.
good weekend, everyone.
I'll give you a call a little bit. I'm gonna jump off in a little bit. I just want to see if they take the highs out. Later, Gator. Guys, if you want to talk, the mics aren't muted, so feel free. Feel free. You can unmute yourselves. You know I hate talking to myself. I just want to see if we break out here and print a new high, all-time high. I'm very curious. 636.15 is all-time highs. QQQ's at the top, SPY's at the top. Everything's pressure cooking. MACD's curling up. Squeeze is bullish. Conditions are bullish. It looks like they're going to go. I just want to see if they really shoot it out or not. Yeah, Ryan, I'd have that stop set just under 635.70s, whatever that lines up with on ES if you're trading ES. And just let this sucker work. That's a very clear, strong demand zone, 635.70s. Exactly. You always got to move your stops underneath the most logical place where market makers are going to try to go to ding everybody out. You got to think like that. Like if you were a market maker right now and everybody was bullish and you wanted to stop them out, where would you go to stop them out? And you would go to the floor, 635.70s, a little bit below the floor to stop everybody out. So you set your profit stop below that so you don't get dinged. Let me look at Tesla. I'm not even watching Tesla. I'm just watching Q's break out right now. SPY's looking like it wants to go. Look at Tesla, man. Wow. Holy shit. Rocket ship. Yeah, Tesla's freaking rocketing. Let me look at a higher time frame on Tesla. I mean, this is 317.70s. We broke above that on the 30-minute. 325 is next. 324.50. If they can do it. I don't know if they'll do it today. Everything's at the top. Is QQQ at all-time highs? Yeah. QQQ just made a new all-time high. Everything's at all-time highs right now. At the top, tippity top. I would not step in front of this to try to short. I would not short this. What's all-time highs on SPY? 636.15. Let's put a line there. We'll make that yellow. The Musk versus Trump show. Yeah, I don't know what that was all about, dude. That was wild. It was very immature. I mean, you're the richest guy in the world with billions and billions of dollars, and you're mad about $3,000 subsidies on Tesla. It's just, I don't know. The EV mandate was already a thing, you know. It wasn't any new news unless Elon's plan was to partner with Trump to try to get on his good side so he doesn't get rid of the EV mandate. Who knows? That could have been his idea. And it didn't work. Guy's a multi-billionaire. I don't think he really would care about a small EV tax credit, but who knows? Maybe he's making a lot of money off of it. We're hanging out at the top. QQQ is printing all fresh time highs. Exactly, swing trades. He makes so much money off the car sales alone. It doesn't cost him $60,000 to build that car. I think they're just the federal tax credit is probably helps in the long run. Maybe, I don't know. Waiting for the breakout. I want to see them do it. Nice job, Ryan. Yeah, I'm gonna jump off soon. I want to see them break out. I want to see if they push. Everything's at the top. People don't care about a $7,000 credit when they buy a $60,000, $70,000 car. Yeah, dude, and he did a lot of damage to his brand, man. Look at how much those cars depreciated. And people are freaking vandalizing them, and nobody even wants those cars anymore. I have a friend that bought a Model Y Performance Edition. Model Y Performance. He spent like well over 70,000 on it, and the thing, he still owes like 50 G's on it, and the thing's worth like 30. Like it's awful. I remember we were getting hurricanes down here, and he would just go park it under trees, hoping it would get totaled, because he owes so much money on the thing, and it's not worth shit. It's hilarious. Be like hurricane force winds outside, and I see him moving his car under a tree. Let's go, A-team. Nice job. $1,000 a day. Keeps the job away. Yeah. I don't know. If it was, like, honestly, dude, I'm not going to lie. I would buy a Model S Plaid because I just think they're so depreciated and beat down. I don't think that they can depreciate anymore. You're literally just buying the cost of the battery at this point. Model S Plaid, you can get them for like $50,000 now. And that's how much those fucking batteries cost. Maybe $35,000, $40,000 for the Plaid batteries. I don't think those cars can depreciate anymore. Those things were like 140 when they came out. They lost $100,000 in 4 years, 5 years. That's wild. I bet you the same exact thing's going to happen with a Cybertruck. Once the craze is over and everybody realizes that they're ugly fucking refrigerators, those things are going to drop in value like crazy, like nothing. Model X did the same thing. Everybody was all excited over those Batmobile doors, and those things were well over $100,000. And now you can find Model X's in the 30s. Oh yeah, dude, they're crazy looking. It just looks like a refrigerator driving. It looked like a stainless steel garbage can driving down the street. It's almost like a joke. I think, like, it's comical. Like, it's probably if you think about it, dude, it's just straight sheet metal. There's no curves on that vehicle. You know how cheap that thing probably was for Tesla to build? No paint. It's just sheet metal. It's almost like a joke, like a slap in the face. People are spending over $100,000 on them. Okay, back to demand. 635.70s. Let's see. Let's see if they crack it this time. That's pretty cool. Toyotas are like some of the best vehicles for depreciation too, especially in Hawaii. Everybody owned Toyotas in Hawaii. Tacomas, Tundras, 4Runners. Those things, I've seen them with miles and miles on them, and people are still getting good money. Guys, this is our new ping pong range, 636.10 to 635.70s. That's our new ping pong range. POC's in the middle. Tops and bottoms of this, but I would be very careful trying to short supply today, just based off of the conditions. Do they sell those in the U.S. swing trades? Or is that like the new model, like the 2026 model? That must be the new model. Yeah. I haven't seen one down here. You know what I saw yesterday? I saw the new, the 2026 Escalade IQ. Dude, that thing's wicked looking. It's huge. But same shit, man. Yeah, same shit with the EV garbage. $130,000 for a electric car, but it's cool. It has like a sloping, like a sweeping tail on it. It's cool. It's very big. Yeah, man. Choi, and people. I was actually talking to Joey about this yesterday because one of my friends works at a car dealership down here, and he's like, he can't even get people approved on auto loans anymore. It's like the average car or truck is 70,000-80,000, and people can't even get approved for them. And after you walk out of there with all your fees, and then you're throwing in an insurance payment on an $80,000 car, you're well over $1,000 a month. $315, Joey. Nice. Is that your biggest day? Joey, is this your biggest day? Good job, man. Proud of you. You guys posted in the profit section? Post it in the profit section. Nice job. You guys are savages. Especially on a day like today. It's tricky price action. Good job. You got a $53,000 truck for $545, 3,000 down. Yeah. How many miles are you doing though? On average, like 12,000 a year. This is demand again. Every time we came to this demand zone, we bounced off of it hard. Let's see if they actually crack it. If they crack this, then we're going to go back to that supply that we broke out of at 635.60. We never retested that. Risk to reward's decent here to try a long, but QQQ's rolling over, so I would try to say I would wait for 635.60 unless you see a big power bounce come in here. 635.60 is probably a better area to try calls. Wrangler hybrid, those things are cool. I like the new Grand Cherokees, the long ones, the L's. Those things are pretty sweet. Demand broke. Sellers are stepping in. Let's see if they bounce. I want to see them retest 635.60s. That might be a good call play there. If they crack that, then they're going to trap bulls. So, but QQQ is still at the top. There's a lot of issues on it with it. Yeah, but if it's brand new and you're leasing it, you can just that's all warranty, right? It's all warranty work. It's all covered. Yeah. I don't know, man. If I'm going to get anything electric, I'm going to buy a Plaid. And I'm going to put like I'll get the Model S Plaid and then I'll put like a P70D sticker on the back to make it look like it's a slow one and just shit on people. That thing would be such a fun daily, 1,000 horsepower daily. They don't even look different. The only thing you can really tell is that the wheels are wider in the back. Ford Lightning came back? I didn't know that. Oh, it's all electric. Dude, they're all wicked fast. Let's go, Lobo. Woo! 3 contracts, buddy. $2,200. Freaking good job, man. Shout out to Lobo. Lobo, are you MVP today? I think you are. I think you are. Look at that, man. 3 contracts. What'd you buy those at? Tesla's still rocketing? Wow. It's all right, Joey, dude. You're up. How much are you up, Joey, on the day? What'd you do, like 30% of your account today? Dude, that's more than enough. That's great. Look at Tesla, man. Tesla's still pumping. It's keeping the Qs elevated. That's why everything's hanging at the top. Did anybody hit calls off of that previous supply, the 635.60s area? Nice bounce there. Green is green. You have to take profit in these conditions, man. You can't hold. That's why, like this morning and even yesterday, I don't know if you guys saw. I was stopping out at like 2 or 3 cent loss because I didn't even want to risk it. And this morning, I wasn't really even getting. It was a struggle for me to get more than 10 cents out of a contract from open to 10:30 until I caught the breakout. Then it gave me a little break, but. Pretty sure I bottom ticked 634.92 today, and I didn't hold. Dude, 255% AR. You guys are impressive. I'm not impressive, dude. I'm impressed that you guys are green in these conditions. It's been a struggle. The last couple weeks have been hard. It's been hard, man. Let's see, kid. Exhausting week, but finally green, 565. 4.3 on the week. First green week. Yeah, good job, man. Get your confidence back, dude. That's it. Kid, where's Tim at? Have you talked to Tim? Where's he been? Is he still trading? Gotcha. I like Tim. Tim's a good dude. Tell him to come pop back in and say hi. Pretty sure he has access still to the Discord. Yeah, I saw Adam join back last night. Rom. Yeah, he was doing well. Yeah, man. Yeah, I like Tim. Tim's a good guy. All right, guys. Market's at the top. I'm gonna call it quits here. We'll plan for Sunday. All right, you guys good with Sunday? For momentum class, I'll go over some SPX too for you, Patel. Cool. Sweet. What's up, Joey? Go spend your money that you made today. Good job. You guys have a great weekend. See you guys.